Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be having a look at the AOBOSI vegetable shredder. It can slice, grate, shred. We have different tools. It was sent to me for the purposes of this review. And there's the grater, the shredder, and we have a slicer tool as well. Quite well made. Comes with a little collection unit there for your shredding. And this is where your tools go in. Yeah, okay, so let's give it an unboxing. So this is the brand AOBOSI. It was kindly sent to me for the purpose of this review, but my review will be honest. And it is an energy saving and environmental protection chop vegetables faster. There we go. Have a look around the box. Normal sort of branding there. So it's a 3-in-1 multifunctional kitchen shredder. 3 blades for easy slicing and shredding, and it includes a blade storage box. Let's get this thing open. Really excited to try this. I think it retails for about £60 in the UK on Amazon. I will put the link in the description. They very kindly reached out to me for this product review. Here we have a little brush to help with the cleaning. Let's get this thing opened up and see what's inside. Just pull apart this polystyrene. Lots of plastic. Lots of polystyrene, gets everywhere. But let's get this unit out of the packaging. Clear away some of that polystyrene. And here we go. This is the unit itself. It's quite a small unit. Wouldn't take much space on a kitchen worktop. Sort of a creamish white colour. And that's a little clear pot there. That's what collects your sliced vegetables. Please stay to the end because we will be putting some cheese through this thing. And we'll be using all 3 different tools. And there we go. Very simple to use. It's just this one on-off switch. We've got the blade storage down the bottom there. And here we go. That's the coarse grater or coarse shredder. There's 2 of each blade types that we put into the machine. These are the 2 slicing tools. And that's a little storage box. Just slots in underneath the unit. This is like a little press so that you don't cut your fingers off while you're trying to push the vegetables into the machine. That's just a little cover, and here is the rotating tool holder. Just get that out of the bag, and already fitted is the fine shredding or fine grating tools. They just slot in quite simply and lock into place. Very easy to get in and out. It makes washing them up afterwards very, very easy. I'll just show you how to put these in. Put the slicing tool in. Let's get the other one. Put that in as well. They just slot in, lock into place. Very, very easy. And then as you can see there, there's some like little teeth. They just line up. And there you go, that's locked into place. And that's a little catching storage unit. And yeah, you just push the vegetables down like that. Little quick start guide. Easy to understand. And there's the instruction manual as well. So we're going to start off with a cucumber. Let's do some slicing. So we're just going to cut the end off, get out all of the plastic wrapping, and here we go. We're just going to turn it on. That one on-off switch there. It starts rotating. So let's give this thing a try. If you like the video so far, please hit the like button, leave any comments down below, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future content. And look how easy this is. Wow, it's making easy work of slicing that cucumber, and really thin slices as well. That's amazing. Wow, let's turn that off. Look at that. Look how thin they are. Excellent. Tastes great. I'm just going to take that out, and you can see that's where it's been slicing the cucumber. We'll take off the section there. You can see. And to remove the tools, just push down, unlocks them. There we go. We can take those two out. I've given it a clean. Now we're going to try some potato. I'm going to slice some potato. Get one of those into the top. Let's turn on the machine. And here we go. Look how easy that is. This is ideal if you want to make potato chips or crisps, as we call them in the UK. That is so easy. You could also use this as a topping for like a cottage pie or a hot pot. That's great, that is. Wow. Let's turn that off. We'll just take out this rotating tool holder. And there we go. Look how thin they are. Look amazing. Perfectly sliced potatoes. Excellent. And now we're going to do some shredding using a carrot. We can use the fine shredder or grater. And we'll put the tools into the tool holder. Very easy. We're going to put that into place. Slide the whole unit back together. We're going to turn him on. And here we go. Grating carrots. Wow, that's amazing. Look how easy that is. We'll use the little press to push down the remaining carrot. This is great if you're making coleslaws, or if you're having some salads, if you're having people over. You can make a big batch of it. So effortless. Look how easy that was to do. Perfectly shredded carrot. Of course, you can use any vegetables you require. But now we're going to try the cheese. And we're going to use all three tools on the cheese to put it through its paces. The coarse grater, the fine grating or shredding, and the slicing as well. So, I think we'll start with the fine grating or fine shredding tools. Put those into the tool holder. I'm really looking forward to see how well it copes with cheese being so soft compared to some of the vegetables. Just put this unit back together quickly. And in goes the rotating tool holder. So we're going to cut this cheese into some sections, and we're going to use the different tools for each slab of cheese. There we go. So let's start off with the fine cheese grater. I'm going to pop that in the top, turn him on. Wow, that is so easy to do. Effortless. There we go, just with a slight bit of pressure on the top of the press. Wow, amazing. Look how easy grating cheese is. You could do a whole batch of cheese. If you've ever bought grated cheese from a shop, you know it's got some sort of preservatives and chemicals on them. This is just grated cheese. You could probably put this in a storage bag or a storage box, put it in the fridge. Now we're going to try the coarse grater and see what the difference is. Just put the coarse grating tools into the holder, back into the machine, locked into place. Get some of that cheese out of the way. And let's try the coarse grater with the next slab. Let's turn that on. And again, effortless. Just use a little bit of pressure, push down. And there we go. That is so easy to do. Look at that. So just a bit thicker than the fine grated cheese. I probably prefer the coarse grated cheese. And that's great. Just take out that tool holder. Empty the rest of that. And now we're on to the slicing tool. We'll lock that into place. Just get the other one in. Pop it back into the machine. This would be great if you're making pizzas and things like that. Or if you're doing a lasagna and you could put the cheese on the top. Let's see how this copes with the slicing tool. And wow, look at that. I could have put a thicker slab of cheese in, which would have made the slices a bit bigger. Let's get the other bit of cheese in there, the last bit. And there we go. So easy to do. Let's turn the machine off. And there you go. Perfectly sliced cheese. So it's coated really well with the cheese. Look at that whole slab of cheese in literally a few seconds of shredding.
Okay, so what did I think of this AOBOSI vegetable shredder? Well, as you saw in the video, it managed to slice through all the vegetables, potatoes, carrot, cucumber. It made good work of the cheese. We used all three different cutting tools for the cheese. So that's really handy. Really easy to clean as well. Each one of these comes out of the holder. Run it under some hot water. Give it a wipe over, a dry, and that's good to go. This part is dishwasher safe, as is this part. And you can take all of that off, and all of this is dishwasher safe too. It's only the main unit and the blades that aren't dishwasher safe. So all in all, very pleased with it. The build quality is very good. I think if you treat it well, it will last you quite a few years. I'm going to look forward to using this a lot more in the kitchen. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, leave any comments down below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future content. Thank you, AOBOSI, for sending me this product for review, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.